Discover an exceptional opportunity to own a piece of Idaho's scenic Camas Prairie, renowned for its wide open spaces, scenic beauty, and rich agricultural history. Lots are now available, ranging in size from 11 to 21 acres and priced between $150,000 and $250,000. Each parcel offers stunning natural features, including seasonal creek frontage, gently rolling topography, and panoramic views. These parcels are ideal for a wide range of uses, from private home sites and recreational retreats to small-scale farming or investment holdings. Located off the county-maintained Wasem Road, each parcel has been thoughtfully improved for easy access and immediate usability. Every lot features a new gravel approach, wood fencing, a gated entrance, junction box, perc test, and well credit. The land is ready for development or personal enjoyment, with utilities and excellent year-round road access already in place. The peaceful rural setting, combined with proximity to the communities of Grangeville and Cottonwood, makes this a highly desirable location for those looking to escape the city without sacrificing convenience. This is a rare chance to invest in one of Idaho's most beautiful and productive regions. For more information and a qualified showing, please contact Tanner Ross or visit HaydenOutdoors.com.